The appearance of the so-called 2026 GMC Savana Motorhome will primarily depend on the body business or third-party modifier that is transforming a regular GMC Savana van into a motorhome, as GMC is not officially producing the GMC Savana Motorhome as a full vehicle. As a result, there is no set external design to follow. On the 2026 GMC Savana Motorhome conversion, we can talk about potential external design elements and trends. Simple shape. The distinctive boxy appearance of the GMC Savana van will probably not change since it offers plenty of inside room. High top. A high roof constructed of aluminum or fiberglass is a common feature to Savana motorhome conversions. This creates extra space for a bed or more storage above, as well as more comfortable standing space within. Some smaller or more adventurous modifications could have a pop-up roof to offer more sleeping space when parked. Larger than normal side windows, frequently with hinged or sliding mechanisms for ventilation. Larger back window to let in more natural light and improve sight. Vents on the roof to circulate air. The rear cabin space is mostly accessible through standard sliding side doors. Depending on the conversion design, there may be a single rear door or two rear doors, 60-40 split. External storage compartments are accessible through additional doors. External boxes for storing supplies, such as generators or camping equipment. Bike racks or racks for storing other outdoor equipment. Awnings, electric or manual. They are almost typically included to give shade outside the car. Ladders to make the roof or sleeping space above, if appropriate, easily accessible. Connectors for fresh water, filthy water, and external power. Solar arrays. More and more people are charging extra batteries on the roof. The selection of windows, exterior LED lighting, front, back, and sides, and paint color may all be used to create a sleeker, more contemporary look. For a more unique appearance, some conversions could use body kits or unique design components. Choosing tires with various profiles, such as all-terrain tires for mild off-road modifications, and rims, such as alloy rims. The interior will be planned to mix several uses and make the most of available space. Compact kitchens, fold-out tables, and seating sections that may be used as beds are typical. The bed can be a fold-out bed/sofa bed in the center, or it can be a fixed bed in the rear or top, if a pop-top is provided. The van's dimensions and the conversion's design will affect the bed's dimensions. Small kitchens usually have a mini fridge or cooler box, a tiny sink with a water faucet, and a 1 or 2 burner stove, electric or portable gas. A little microwave could be included in some more opulent adaptations. Sliding or folding tables that are frequently incorporated with the seating area and may be used for both working and dining. Cabinets, drawers, and shelves are examples of storage that may accommodate clothes, kitchenware, and vacation essentials. Making use of the area above the headboard and beneath the bed is essential. A little bathroom with a fold-out sink, a portable or cassette toilet, and a shower, sometimes driven by tank water, may be included in some bigger adaptations. An inverter to convert DC to AC, a control panel to monitor power use, and extra deep cycle batteries to power appliances. The use of solar panels is growing. Tanks with water pumps for both fresh and dirty water, if a permanent sink or restroom is present. Roof vents, LED lights inside, and more windows with blinds or shades. For acoustic and thermal comfort, add more insulation to the roof, walls, and floors. The following are the probable engine choices for the GMC Savana in 2026. About 276 horsepower, 205 kilowatts, and 404 Newton meters, 298 lb-ft of torque are produced by a 4.3 L V6 engine. It typically comes equipped with rear-wheel drive, RWD, with an 8-speed automatic gearbox. About 401 horsepower, 299 kilowatts, and 629 Newton meters, 464 lb-ft of torque are produced by a 6.6 L V8 engine. Rear-wheel drive, RWD, and a powerful 8-speed automatic gearbox come standard.